What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh out here with a new banger. Oh, let me put the music down. I'm trying to get copyrighted. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. Little update, guys. After this video, I'm going to be dropping my first 2 girlfriend video. I don't know what the title is going to be about, but I have a lot of videos coming up for you guys because you guys have been requesting them on Instagram and on my recent YouTube video posts. I read you guys' comments and thank you guys so much for the support. Stay tuned. Big things coming summer 2019. Shout out to Chills for putting me in their recent video. I was top number 10 when the Mustang almost ran me over. Sheesh. That's right. Damn, so much shit is going on right now. We got the semi truck, we got the car crash. Oh yeah, bye. Hey, leave the car alone.
No. Hey, let the car go through.
Yeah, let's go. Just let the trailer go. We got you, bro.
You get to my shots. The GA crashed into it. Okay. Oh shit! Girl right there swinging it, okay. Yeah, go the other way. Go the other way. Yeah, the cops are this way. Oh, god damn. The boys are here. Hey, today's an active as me. It's the battle of the battles right here. I seen it all right now.
Hey, what's good?
Yeah, it's going good so far. Yeah, it's going good right now. But you get excited the way Carla drives? Oh, shit. Vergas. right? For the one time. We're out here at Macy's once again. Damn! They hit him again! Oh my god! Again, bro! Oh my god, bro! Hey, para la casa, wey! Hey! Oh, damn!
What's up, my boy?
Oh, what's up, bro? What's cracking? What's cracking? What's up, player? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? Damn, again! Oh, damn! People are getting run over left and right! He's on a mission! Oh. What's up, player? I know! Yeah! Oh, damn, there's so much shit going on right now! Does he shoot, babe? Yeah, it's crazy right now. It's a battle right now. This is why you best believe everybody's doing everything right now. People got run over, car crashes. We gotta go with Carlo. Go get it. Help! Whoa, damn! Oh shit, I didn't know it was Mustang Fest here. What's going on? Yeah. Okay. Damn! Yeah, he left! It's about 2 a.m. right now. Me and my boy are here at the gym. We're working out. We're also been taking some on the low karate classes. So what would you do if somebody comes at you right here right now? Somebody's right here talking shit to you. Alright, so let's pretend that this is the bad guy right here. Alright, so what are you gonna do to him? No, that's not. No, yeah, no. Chill. I try to get kicked out. The way to get gains like this, proper gains, like this, it's like this, guys. This is all I do when I come to the gym.
The knee SpongeBob right here. No te cagues. Come on, you're almost there. You've been training your whole life for this.
Careful, dude. You're about to throw your back out, dude.
Oh, booty.